Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right, but you're still not getting the results you want? Here's the thing, I don't think you need more products. I think your routine is simply out of order. Most people start at the end of the problem. They buy a stronger deodorant instead of asking why their body odor is getting worse. They buy an expensive perfume instead of making sure their skin is moisturized so the fragrance actually lasts. They spend money on hair serums while ignoring the health of their scalp. They're trying to decorate the house before fixing the foundation. A good beauty routine isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right things in the right order. Start with your lifestyle, your sleep, your diet, your hydration, your stress levels. Then build simple daily habits. Protect your skin barrier instead of constantly trying to repair it. Take care of your scalp before chasing shiny hair. Keep your body healthy before expecting any perfume to work miracles. Only after those basics are in place do your beauty products reach their full potential. That's why some people look effortlessly healthy with a handful of products, while others own an entire shelf of skincare and still feel like nothing works. More products won't fix the wrong priorities. A better routine will, because real beauty doesn't come from adding more. It comes from putting the essentials first. Only after those basics are in place do your beauty products reach their full potential. And I know all of this might sound like a lot. Maybe you're thinking that's too many habits to change, but here's what I've learned. It doesn't feel difficult once it becomes part of who you are. When healthy habits become your identity instead of another challenge on your to-do list, they stop feeling like effort. Of course, new habits take time. You're not trying to become a completely different person overnight. You're simply giving yourself the chance to build a new normal. And no, a healthy routine doesn't have to be perfect. Life happens. Some days you'll eat differently. Some days you'll skip your skincare. Some days you'll sleep less than you wanted. That's normal. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is consistency. Do what you can as often as you can, because the small things you repeat every day will always matter more than the perfect routine you only follow once in a while. So if there's one thing I hope you take away from this video, it's this. Stop asking yourself, what product should I buy next? Start asking, what habit should I improve first? Because beauty isn't something you can buy all at once. It's something you build one habit, one routine, one small decision at a time. And when you put the essentials first, everything else starts working better, not because you finally found the perfect product, but because you finally gave it the right foundation. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.